Welcome. This video is designed to provide a gentle roadmap for handling your spouse's estate in Texas. Hello. First, I want to take a deep breath with you. If you have recently lost your spouse, I am so deeply sorry for your loss. Please take all the time you need to grieve. If you've been asked to handle your spouse's estate in Texas, it can feel overwhelming, but remember to take the time you need. You might have heard the term fiduciary duty. It sounds cold and clinical, but it simply means the law is asking you to wrap up their financial world. It can feel overwhelming, but you don't have to do it all today. Think of it simply as a step-by-step puzzle. Here is a gentle roadmap to help you find and secure everything they left behind. Let's start with early access and financial clues. You don't have to wait for the court to start. Texas law helps you early on. If you found a key to a safe deposit box but the bank won't let you in, Texas Chapter 151 allows you, as the spouse, to look inside. You are allowed to look inside the box just to find three things: the will, burial documents, and life insurance. Next, look for a financial roadmap. The easiest way is through the mail. Keep an eye out for tax documents. When tax season comes, institutions send out 1099 forms. These 1099 forms are like a map. They will point you directly to savings accounts, investments, and even hidden things like old oil and gas royalties that are common here in Texas. Now let's move on to tracing debts and checking for physical records around the house. You can also request a copy of their credit report from Equifax, Experian, or TransUnion. By looking at old bills or loans, you can see if there is a car or a property that needs to be taken care of. Don't forget to check the house. Look for handwritten notebooks or address books. Sometimes, important passwords or lists of old bank accounts are written down right in a desk drawer. Finally, let's look at unclaimed property and wrap up this roadmap. A wonderful and free tool is the Texas Comptroller's website, ClaimItTexas.gov. Companies are required by law to turn over forgotten money to the state. You can type in your spouse's name or past addresses to see if there are old utilities or dormant accounts waiting for you. You are doing a wonderful job honoring your spouse's legacy. Take it one day at a time, one envelope at a time. If the trail gets confusing, please know it is okay to ask a probate attorney for help. You don't have to walk this path alone.